had never felt like carving it, but things don't drive the way we want. Beyond the sky, somebody waves a smile. It intoxicates my heart and I want to repel back, but I can't. I have always assumed myself a Beyoncé, but that smile entangles me. I stand there with a delightful face. Among lots of bizarre grains, I can still spot his dress. The candle of my heart is dying out, spilled around that smoky wine glass, which rivals with his brown tresses, but the twilight hasn't died yet. I have always been on point, but you are full of confusion, urging a dispute between my mind and my heart. Every mistaken notion of mine are scattering my expectations torn apart. I'm envious, unique and unfit because there is nothing I can serve. If I had a choice, I would cover all those eyes beholding that curve. I would jot down thousands of stories, but I know they are going to be left unread. The tears touch the stream, chatter there and grumble that it's a miserable outcry, yet I crave to sip. I used to abhor blue, but now it's pretty fine on you. Hues are beautiful when you illuminate them. Even though I haven't met you, I can say that you are full of spirit, affectionate and crazy, and accordingly I get confused again. Do you interpret life, or does life illustrate you? I'm clasped with many such questions in a queue, and then I start yearning. How would it feel to be with you? Beautiful, more beautiful, or most beautiful? I forcefully lock my eyes because I don't want to arouse forfeiting my dream, which is the life I desire for. The more I attempt to walk through your door, the more I find odds of you pouring a refusal on my floor, and so I fear confession. Because once I get spurned, this birdie would lose her first flight, and I want to discover you more. The fantasy of your existence is much reasonable than the verity of your absence, so let me pass just one more twilight, loving you purely and selflessly tonight. Because tomorrow I may slip my heart out, wondering about you to dwell out of doubt. At your single glance, I find every speck of you there. I think I should quit inscribing here. You don't comprehend the language of poems, and I don't own anything other than poems. So here is the clue. The clouds may sometimes wrap the portion of the sky which you occupy, but I will dissolve myself in wind just to embrace your heart. So don't slash the wings of that bird which aspires to fly.